All right, this is like the third time I'm recording this. All right, we're going to talk about using the ALEKS tool to sketch graphs of sine or cosine. Um, these graphs are really hard to read sometimes. Sometimes the pies are really small and the graphs are really light colored. I always suggest with graphs of sine and cosine, do the graph on paper, translate the work to the internet. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the work that I've already done. This video isn't about how I got my answer. If you're curious about how I got my answer, that is available in other videos, but this is purely on, let's see, is it sharing my screen? Stop share this screen. There we go. This is purely on how to use the tool. So I've already graphed this function. I have my 5 important points that are plotted. I'm going to grab their coordinates really quickly. So I have 0, 0, comma, -1. So my function 0, -1, -2. That's what's going on there. This is pi over 2, comma, 0. This is pi, comma, -1. This is 3 pi over 2, comma, -2. And our last point is 2 pi, comma, -1. So I have 5 coordinate points there. I'm going to go back to sharing my screen. All right. So you can manually plot points with this tool, which is cool. I hate using it. I use the plot a point tool, so I'm not going to use the pencil. The plot a point tool is right underneath the eraser, and it allows you to plot points with just typing the coordinate points in, which I just did. I just put all of those in. I wrote them all down. So 0, and I use the tab key, -1. And then I just tab over till I get to plot a point, so I don't have to grab my mouse. Once you're here, you can push enter. Pi, you do have to push a button for. Pi divided by 2, tab 0. Tab, 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 enter. Pi and -1, so pi, tab, -1, tab, 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 enter. 3 pi over 2, tab, -2, tab, 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 enter. And 2 pi, tab, -1, tab, tab, tab. And you can see along the way, the entire time, it's been adding these dots as I go. So once I have all of those done, I go out, I click on the graph function, boom. Beautiful, right? Now, here's the thing. When I did this video the first time, the reason I erased my first recording of this video was because on my graph, I had misplotted this point right here. Instead of plotting it at 2 pi -1, I had plotted it at 2 pi, comma, 0. And if you click graph a function, look at how wonky that looks. So that would be your giveaway. Like that's clearly not a sine function, right? That's clearly not a sine function. If it's not coming out as a perfect wave, double check all of your points. Just double check them. So that guy should have been down. Nope, not there. Undo. He should have been here. So that's how you do it. The tool is not that bad to use. Like I said, do the work on paper, then translate it to the web. That's the easiest way to do it. All right, I will see you in another video. Bye.